The difference between these pauses I suggest to do after the exercises, which even could be a little bit longer, and a pause afterwards. And there would even be a third pause, which we actually had mentioned with the AHA exercise, that's the sleep overnight. So we have a 1 minute pause, we have a 10, 15, 20 minute pause, and we have an 8-hour pause. In the short pause, in a way, we start to have a dialogue with our body. I like to say, my body is also just a human being. And as a human being likes it or needs it to be seen, it needs it to be seen and not to be used. Also, our body needs to be seen. And if you feel seen by somebody, by your husband, by your wife, you feel, and not used, you feel inner energy, and you can do things with much more joy, and you are not getting tired of it. And that's also, so when we, and for this reason, it's not just that we really see what does this exercise do, but the body feels my interest, and it doesn't feel it in just an, oh, I'm interested in you, like this, oh, I love you, but I love you. I love this aspect of you, and I love this of you, and that opens things up. So for this reason, we look what's there, different aspects. And for us, they don't have much meaning. But for the body, they have a lot. In the longer pause of 10 minutes, which I would suggest do it now, it's in a way, like you sit on a lake and you just let the waves, there's a ship, a boat going by, and it makes waves. So I'm not speaking about Canadian lakes now, I speak about Swiss lakes, because when you have these lakes, these ships, and then there are waves, and then afterwards the lake is quiet again. And you sit there, and it's especially funny if it's at night and you have just your feet hanging down a wall, and suddenly it makes when a big wave comes back. Because the waves, they just roll, they hit the border of the other side of the lake, and then they roll back, and they come, and then they're all there. So there's still a lot of waves going on. It's more the feeling level now, which we have in our body. And in the night, we completely hand over and let things happen. And that's in our deeper will, which then reacts on what we have done.